Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to attract a Taurus individual. When it comes to forming friendships or romantic relationships, Taurians prefer to take their time. They value building a strong foundation which requires patience and restraint, qualities they deeply appreciate because they possess them themselves. If you are interested in a Taurus, be prepared to make the first move. They are slow to make decisions, and if you do not take the initiative, you might miss your chance. Show a Taurus that you enjoy their company and try to entertain them. These quiet, easygoing individuals respond well to people who can make them laugh. You will find them to be charming companions who are both interested in and interesting to others. If a conversation starts to feel a bit heavy or too lengthy, a well-timed, witty comment can lighten the mood. Remember, Taurians have a broad, robust sense of humor and enjoy physical jokes. If you are planning to feed a Taurus, make sure it's a memorable experience. Take them to a restaurant with a skilled chef and a good selection of wine, or cook a meal at home that demonstrates your culinary skills. Do not skimp on the portions. Taurus individuals appreciate a hearty meal. Should the conversation start to lag, you can always bring up the topic of money. Taurians find discussions about finances interesting. Additionally, showing off your prized possessions, whether they are stamps, ivory miniatures, jade, or even rare coins, will captivate their attention. It's important not to monopolize the conversation. Once a Taurus starts talking, they enjoy sharing their thoughts. Be generous with your praise, complimenting their home, car, clothes, jewelry, and overall good taste. Above all, make sure they feel appreciated for who they are. To sum up, winning over a Taurus requires patience, initiative, and a good sense of humor. Engage them with interesting conversations and hearty meals, and do not hesitate to show your appreciation for their tastes and positions. By doing so, you will build a strong and lasting connection with these charming down-to-earth individuals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Until then, goodbye and namaste.